now I can ask questions in English,
Very
and I can
nice.
answering in English also with
Very good.
our teacher.
Very good.
हा मला खूप इफेक्ट आला मॅडम त्याने. मी तुम्हाला ते कॉन्व्हर्सेशन ना, मी आता आय हॅव सेव्ह दॅट कॉन्व्हर्सेशन
Mhm.
विथ माय नेबर अँड
Mhm.
आय विल सेंड यू ऑन युअर व्हॉट्सअप नंबर.
Very nice. Very nice. So how do you feel? How is your confidence? If you
हा
see start
आय
before the
गेट
start of
मोर
the
कॉन
class
हा
and now.
नाही बिफोर तर मला तर आय आज इज इट क्वेश्चन इज परफेक्ट और नॉट
Mhm.
ग्रामेटिकली आय वॉज अ क्वेश्चन.
Mhm.
Now I have some question, but
Mhm.
I can nidan be I can ask,
Mhm.
is it wrong or correct?
Mhm.
It will get next option. But
Mhm.
like at least I can ask in English that
Very good.
I get this confidence.
Very good. Very good.
Uh,
That's really nice.
uh,
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
thank
so
you,
much,
thank you,
Supriya ji. Thank you.
thank you so much.